Hey guys, as you know, Zeblaze is a popular Chinese manufacturer of smartwatches. We already made videos about the Zeblaze Surf 5, Zeblaze Surf 4 Plus and others. However, the Chinese company also produces fitness watches, for example, Zeblaze Hybrid and Zeblaze Crystal 2. You can also watch videos about these watches on our channel, Tech Brothers. About 1 month ago, Zeblaze has released the next generation of Crystal 2. As you can guess, the watch has the name Zeblaze Crystal 3. Today we have unboxing and full review of this fitness watch. The price is very affordable, about $20. Is it better than Crystal 2? Let's find out. Here is the box of Zeblaze Crystal 3. You can see the image of fitness watch, Zeblaze logo, Crystal 3, as well as heart rate and activity watch on the front side. On the back, you can read product name, model, package contents, and information about manufacturer. Inside the box, there is a watch with factory film. Let's take it off. The strap is removable, but it is not standard. Most likely, you will not be able to buy a strap of another color and use it with Zeblaze Crystal 3. Also, there is a user manual in the box. As you can see, there is no charger in the box, because Crystal 3 has built-in USB plug. Let's talk about USB plug in more detail and design in general. So one of the main updates in Zeblaze Crystal 3 is built-in USB plug. It is very convenient because you don't need to look for a charging cable. Just remove the strap and insert the watch into USB charger. From other side, because of built-in USB plug, you cannot use the strap from Crystal 2 or any other watch with Crystal 3. The previous version, Crystal 2, had standard strap, so you can buy any other 20mm strap, for example from a Amazfit Bip, and use it with a Zeblaze watch. You cannot do this with Crystal 3. Yes, Zeblaze Crystal 3 is available in 3 colors, black, red and green. But the strap is not sold separately. The new fitness watch has 1.3-inch display with 240 by 240 pixels resolution. This is color IPS screen. There is only touch button at the bottom of display, so it is not full touch screen. I feel like the new watch has a thicker body. Unfortunately, I don't have Zeblaze Crystal 2 to compare it with Crystal 3 side by side. However, I found information about the dial thickness of Crystal 2 and Crystal 3, 10.3mm and 12mm respectively. As you can see, the new watch really has a thicker dial. I think this is because of bigger battery and a new heart rate sensor. Crystal 3 has the same waterproof standard as previous model, IP67. You can wash the watch and even take a shower with it. On the back of the watch there is only heart rate sensor. The weight of Zeblaze Crystal 3 is 27 grams. Okay, now let's talk about main functions of the new fitness watch. This is the main watch face. You can change it by pressing touch button. In general, there are 4 watch faces. Zeblaze Crystal 3 has steps count, distance, calories, heart rate, blood pressure and blood oxygen, sports modes, sleep, notifications, find phone, music player, take photos, weather, timer, settings, and turn off. As you can see, Crystal 3 has many new functions such as music control, blood pressure and others. By the way, the manufacturer says that Crystal 3 received a new generation optical heart rate sensor. Let's check it out. When I'm quiet, the watch shows 62 BPM. Now I'm gonna squat about 20 times and check my heart rate. As you can see, it is about 80 BPM. Just like many other fitness watches and bands, Zeblaze Crystal 3 has a companion app on smartphone. The app for Crystal 3 is called Happy Sports. It is available both on Android and iOS devices. On the main screen of the app, you can see information about your daily activity, such as steps, distance, calories. Also, you can use alarm, heart rate, sleep, blood pressure and blood oxygen. Zeblaze Crystal 3 has many functions, and if you don't need some of them, for example, take photo, you can hide it on the watch. Also, you can change the order of functions. In general, the settings are standard for all fitness watches. You can change the watch face, enable all-day heart rate monitor, steps goal, do not disturb mode, and choose apps that can send you notifications on the watch. Okay, it's time to talk about the battery of a Zeblaze Crystal 3. The new watch has a 200 mAh battery. The manufacturer promises 7 days of battery life in standby time. The charging time is about 1.5 hours. I want to note that the previous generation Crystal 2 had the same battery life. So the main updates of a new Zeblaze Crystal 3 are built-in USB plug, the new strap and many functions such as music control, blood pressure, blood oxygen, etc. The battery life and design of Zeblaze Crystal 3 is about the same as Crystal 2. I think it is a good upgrade, because the new watch is even cheaper than the previous generation. Now the price of Crystal 3 is $19, but it will cost only $15 during Black Friday sale on AliExpress. In description, I will leave the link to the store. What do you think about this watch? Write in comments below. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.